Sky opening his gift. Open it, honey. Come on, rip it off. Throw it on the floor. Don't worry about it. Throw it on the floor, Sky. It's okay. Throw that on. Throw that on the floor. No good. That's garbage. I really wrapped this gift really crazy. Well, first time, Mom. Let's pull it, Sky. Let's pull it off. Oh, jeez. So you're going to pull every little piece you can get. Okay, look. Mommy just going to lift it up. Woo! Do you like it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Uh-oh, what is that, Skylar? What is that? Uh-oh, Sky, look at Mommy. Merry Christmas, Skylar. Hey, Sky. Skylar. Skylar, 1 second. 1 second, Sky. Skylar. Oh my goodness. Wait, I'm talking to you. Hold on. Skylar. Hey. Earth to Mars. Hello. Sweetie. Skylar. Excuse me. Sky. Hey, look at Mommy. Hey. Do you like your gift?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That's the one you wanted?
Yes.
Open a drawer. You can open a drawer and you can put your other trains in there. So, are you going to say thanks, Mommy?
Thanks, Mommy.
I don't see it. Come on. Skylar. Look, you have one more gift to open. Yes, under the tree. Go get it. Give it to him.
Yes, guys.
This little boy. Come over here with it. No, you don't play with that first and then open that. You see? Open this. Come on, look. It's something good. Look, Skylar. Open the bag. Take the paper out the bag. Because you don't care about nothing else. What train is that? You see how many trains you got?
That's that one damaged. That one sunken there.
Right. You have more in there? Do you have more trains in the bag? Skylar, look in the bag. What is that?
It's solid.
No. You know which one is just like you? Let me see it. Spell this. What does it say? Oh, that's Charlie?
Yeah.
What's the other one on the floor? What's the name of that one? Spell it. Look at the name. You want to pee? You want to pee? No. Okay, drop your toys. Let's go pee. Drop them. Pee time.
I don't want to pee.
Skylar, you want to pee? Skylar, this is your train. He has his own train. Skylar. Isn't that cute? His own train from Chuggington named Skylar. Skylar, look, he wants to pee, everybody. Look at him. Want to pee and don't... You want to pee? Run to the bathroom. Run to the bathroom. Run. Come on. Run to the bathroom.